What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I am here with the 440i and my dog, Ajo. If you guys know who he is, if you see him on my Instagram, it's Ajo, A-J-O. Yes, it's garlic in Spanish. But yeah, he's here with me. He's usually with me on all my installs. But on this video, I want to show you just how to install these tail lights. Now, I got to tell you, it's been almost 2 weeks that I've had these on, and it's been phenomenal. I got to tell you, it changed the entire look of my car, and I'm getting a lot of response online for these tail lights. Go hit up Kies Motorsports if you want some, because I'm telling you right now, it does change the overall aesthetics of your car. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to install it specifically for the 440i Grand Coupe, which is the one that I have. There's two pieces, right? This side right here, closest to the outside of the fender, if you will. It's mostly generic on all F chassis. In fact, Kies Motorsports did a phenomenal video, which, why duplicate, right? Go watch it up here if you want to know how to install it. It's very easy. It's just a couple of clips, bolts, and it comes off. It'll literally take you like 2 minutes just to take this one out. But it's really generic on all F30s, pre and LCI versions, on all F chassis, really. This side right here, this little one, is different on the F32 and F36 coupe models, which is why I made a video about this. I'm going to show you how to install this, so let's get to that. Alright boys, we got the GTS Tail Lights for my F36. Let's get to it. Alright, so right off the bat, you're gonna need an 8mm, a 10mm, an impact drill, and also a Phillips head, a flathead, and a T25. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so to start off the video, I want to give a little preface. I had to do a little bit of a workaround because I was watching some videos online, and the majority of them are for F30's 3 Series cars. Mine's a 4 Series, a 440i, but it's a Grand Coupe, which the trunk is a whole different design from your regular 3 Series, even different from the 340. So same procedure, same plug and play on both lights, but different process of getting into the car, especially on this light up here. So I'm going to show you how to get to this light and how to plug it in. I already did the bottom light over here, which I'm going to show you how I went about it. It's the same thing as the F33 series LCI or pre-LCI, but for the top part it is a bit different on the Grand Coupe. So let's get to it. So right off the bat, what I had to do is there are 2 screws right here on the inner sides, literally like right in here, and all you have to do is use a trim tool like this one, and you plop it out. And then to take off that screw, I'm pretty sure it is a T20. You can verify that. A T20. So you're gonna use a T20 to take it out. There's 2 of them, one on each side. Also, once we did that, the rest of it can come off, which will give me ample space to work. All right. So if you see right there, that right there is where we need to be at. That right there is that clip that's hidden right underneath this, right? So you just pop it down, and then you can see the clip right there. So we're gonna unclip that, and then with the new headlight, you see the tail light, I'm sorry, you see that clip will live in that place that I just showed you. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we managed to pop off the light. So you're gonna tilt it this way, and it should come up. And there you go, guys. The light is off. Yep, I'm excited for this. So what I wanna do now is just take some time to clean it, because you wanna have a nice clean install. So let's go ahead and do that first. All right guys, so now that we cleaned the surface area, we're gonna peel off the new one. Look at that, it looks so clean, guys. And the cool thing about the new ones is that on the stock ones, you had to use, you had to remove this plastic thing, but on the GTS ones, they come stock with it already, which makes things a lot easier when installing this in. Take it off completely. It's just like you would the other one. So. Oh my God. That's it, guys, for the install video. Thank you so much for watching. And to all my supporters, thank you, thank you. We've made it over 1,500 subscribers, which for me, it's a big accomplishment. I never thought that this channel would get to this level. And I know I'm still small, but I'm growing and there's growth happening. So thank you so much. And for all the rest of you, I think it's around like 40 to 60% of you that are watching that are not subscribed. Look, guys, I upload a video once or twice a week. Installs, reviews, answering your questions in the comments. So make sure you subscribe, because I'm not gonna just spam your account with a bunch of notifications. It's just 2 videos a week, all things BMW, German car related. So if you like it, subscribe, guys. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and I'll catch you next week, family.